Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm trying to make daisy flowers today, so let's get started. So I'm using just for your online UK resin, and I've got mixed my resin here, so I'm going to pour. So my resin set for like 20 minutes. I waited 20 minutes and I have mixed white as well pigment, so I'll show you which one it is. That one. So I've got my white pigments ready here. So what I've used this spring white pigment from Just For You Online UK as well. So first I'm going to do, I have also got alcohol ink, which I'm using yellow and white. So let's do that first. I need to pop the bubble first. I'm just popping from the top with the okay. So in the middle, just one drop. In the middle, one drop. In the middle, one drop. One drop. That's it. And going to drop some white pigment, white alcohol ink as well. Just one. And so I'm going to leave that one, not touching them. So the next step, I'm going to start making petal. It's been over 20 minutes now. It's coming out nicely. So the petal, just going start from here. Just giving 4 petals. See how it goes. So where I'm going, I'm taking big out, then 2 small in the middle, and a big one at the end. I'm finished off that way. I'm going to go back again to make another on top of that petal, but this time I'm doing 3. There's not much to go. Okay, I'm going to leave it now and see how it goes. And let me just use heat gun, just put bubbles on the top. Okay, what I need to do, need to get this one on top of that. That's it. There's white here a little bit. That's it. That's done. So after 24 hours, let's demold these coasters. So that looks daisy to me from the top. I need to check at the back now. So looks 3D, and the back, it's not bad either, but from the top you can see that in the center the alcohol ink makes really is standing out as like daisy. So the second petal actually hold the alcohol ink at the back, not let it spread it, so that's a good thing as well. Let's demold another one. The second one, it's a bit odd shape, but still looks nice. The back looks really nice. This is probably my most favorite one. The shape looks so nice. Oh, the back as well. You can see the white pigment hasn't dropped on the bottom, actually it float. So when you use it, you have to use only a little bit, don't use too much, otherwise you will create the blob. you will drop one float. Loving this technique, the alcohol ink one. The back looks beautiful too. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.